Tools in my dad's shop. In my dad's workshop, there are many tools. Some are big, and some are small. They are in a special place where my dad makes things. The tools help him to build and fix stuff. Sometimes, my dad lets me go inside of his workshop. He has hammers, nails, screwdriver, and even machines that make loud noises in his workshop. Hammer is used to hit nails into wood. He also has a drill and screws. A drill is used to twist screws into wood. He also has a screwdriver that can be used to twist screws into wood. Sometimes I like to watch my dad uses his saw. He uses the saw to cut pieces of wood. This is dangerous, so only my dad does this. My sister and I do not use the saw. When my dad cuts wood, he also uses a ruler. My dad uses a ruler to draw straight lines. I like to watch my dad use the tools. They are like magic to me, making ordinary things become something new.